How's it going, everyone? Haven't made a video in a while. I want to talk about for my penny stock people, for small cap stocks, on my scanner, NXTT is coming across as the biggest loser for today. It is down 55%. Okay, so this is what I stand by my rule though. When you buy pennies, you buy them at the end of the day, and you want to make sure that you meet this rule here that I'm going to show you here. So this is how you catch really precise bottoms and that reversion to the mean, just like how I do in my day trading chat. We can make monster money, but with pennies, you got to be very picky. With pennies, you buy it toward the end of the day, and if you see this kind of pattern, this don't happen a lot, but you're going to make a monster move here, probably towards the end of the day or after hours or something like this. If you come back to this EMA 20 on the 15-minute time frame, you're looking at a 44% return. All right, this thing is overly sold. I mean, look at the 1 hour, look at the 4 hour, it's oversold, and even the daily is hitting this. So I don't do much videos on pennies, but when I see a really good setup, like for the riskier people that want to play something, this is a really good setup coming in towards the end of the day. This is where I would probably look to get in because usually the last 30 minutes, the sellers kind of die out and it starts to pump up. So I would definitely accumulate down in these areas and get some things in. Because remember, all price action reverts to the mean. I mean, look at this. Look at this monster EMA 20. You know, right here, it comes back up. But this has so much more wiggle room. And what's nice about this is it's touching that ATR4 on the daily channel. So yeah, usually when you see these kind of drastic moves down, this is the biggest penny down right now to NXTT. Obviously, don't hold these things long, but this is what I teach in my Discord and how I make massive money. Okay, so it's got roughly 33 million volume, 44 million in the yesterday. But yeah, I would be looking for that nice quick reversion to the mean. And the daily is extremely oversold too, so it could make a monster move on the New York session. But what I would do is position yourself before this EMA 20 gets hit, and then you can go break even on the remainder of your shares. Okay, that way once this starts going up, at least you had that cushion that you got in early. We know this is going to revert back to this EMA 20. Usually when these setups I see happen, they come back to this EMA 20 towards the end of the day, towards that end of the bell. So the bell's about to, come down. We only got 30 minutes, so I'm trying to make this video kind of fast and simple so you people that want to play into something, these aren't going to happen a lot of the times. This is a really good setup. We had the SMX doing the same thing, yeah, right? But NXTT is my favorite end of the day mover with the biggest move. So, a lot of people are watching it. Obviously, it's down 55%. It's on the top screeners for everyone. So, I definitely like this one. And then you can also look at the 1 minute. As you can see, the 1 minute will revert to the EMA 50 faster than the 15 minute. You can see we are definitely due for this nice 1 minute reversion to the mean. You can make a really nice gain there. But as always, protect your capital, risk management, and all that. If let's say it gets to this EMA 20 and you're still negative, we'll get out of the position, okay? But this is one of those things where I tell people you wait towards the end of the day, but to buy pennies, because a lot of times they go down and down and down and down and down and down. This is one of the most over extreme setups I have seen in a very long time. I usually don't see these magnet to my bands like this. These are a custom oversold type of settings where they're extremely oversold. Obviously, a big cap stock's not going to do this. This is junk stocks. Penny stocks do this kind of oversold type of patterns. But yeah, you can see right in here, you get close to this lower band, you can choose to make your entry there. But yeah, I want to make a thing. Let me know what you think about NXTT, guys. This will no doubt pump into this EMA 20 very soon. All right, guys. And as always, definitely join the Discord if you guys want. I discuss everything in the Discord. There's a link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you get there, we'll take you to this free chat landing page. Hit how to subscribe if you want to become a member. Hashtag day trade alerts. We'll give you access to all my memberships, day trades alerts, swing trade alerts, live streams every day, educational videos. And yeah, I just made over 200% on Palantir calls, over 300% on my Roblox calls, still holding them, might go up into 500% gains using this unique strategy of, I love my day trading strategy. It's really awesome. So if you like high risk and how I can win over 90% of the time, I'll show you guys how to do that. It's a really nice strategy. But I want to do a recap for my penny stock people. NXTT is a really good play coming into the end of the day. All right, I would wait a little for this 1 minute. You could start accumulating here and here, but this is your accumulation zone, 3:30 to 4 o'clock. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. You're more than welcome to join the Discord if you want. It's only $12 a month. Make sure you subscribe on the computer to avoid the iOS fee. And I'll see you guys there. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.